Okay, here goes. Hi, my name is Marasha, and I signed up for Dylan's class almost a year ago in February 2025. It was a huge decision to make, but not one that I regret. Basically, I was caught, before signing up for Dylan's class, I was caught in that YouTube rabbit hole where I was looking for hours a day and just looking for videos and things of what to do to help me with my business, or how to develop a business, or how to sell stuff online. And there's a lot out there, and a lot of it doesn't really help or give you answers or anything like that. And then I came across Dylan's class and saw about doing the one-on-one meeting. I did that, and that's when I realized, here's my chance. So this is not it's not for the course isn't for the faint of heart. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of work and effort, and it's something that you have to do yourself. Like, it's not being done for you. But the way I saw it, when I was sitting there talking to the person, instead of me waiting for things to happen, I decided I wanted to make things happen. And I decided to sign up for the class, because then I decided to invest in myself and invest in my future. And here I am. I have to admit, I haven't quite hit my, I haven't hit all my, what are they called? Anyways, we'll just hopefully edit that part out. I'm still working on it. My journey with Dylan's course, even though it's been almost a year, is nowhere near being done. Like, I feel like it's just the beginning. I've learned so much about running an Etsy business, about running a business in general, and I've learned a lot about myself. Because this is not just how to post a listing, how to do this, how to do that. It's also about having the right mindset and how to be accountable and how to do time management and everything else. And the best part is, like, one of the coaches, she does these classes once a week about accountability, mindset, and time management. And dang, I've learned so much about myself, and it's great because it's about, like, it's not just one aspect, it's about all different aspects of the class. And the great thing about the time management, like, the coach doesn't give you just one method. She gives you different methods every class. So that's been amazing, because not everybody absorbs information or processes things the same way. Also, the right thing about Dylan's course, like I said, I don't regret it any single minute. It was definitely an investment that I am proud of doing and would do again, because you're not doing it alone. Like, with Dylan's course, you have a group of people around you, you have a great community, like a great supportive community. Like, there's a place for us to talk about our accomplishments or ask questions, or if we're feeling down, you're not alone. Like, there's other people who are going through, pretty much guaranteed someone else is going through the exact same thing you are. So that's been awesome. And just being able to see other people around you succeed, progress, make progress, develop new ideas, and you're just like, ooh, that's kind of cool. So you know that you can do it also. And I know I will do it. Like I said, my journey's only begun. I'm going to make it. I'm not worried about that. It's, just going to take some time. Like, I haven't hit my goals yet, but I'm not worried, because I know 2025 was a challenging year in many different aspects that were out of my control rather, that impacted my ability and my progress. But I'm not going to give up. Like, I'm going to continue. And that's the other thing with Dylan's class. Like, they tell you can't give up, because you don't. Because if you want it, you got to do it yourself, right? And that's how you succeed. And that's the great thing about this course. It shows you how to succeed. And even the coaching, the one-on-one feedback's been awesome, because you can say, hey, what do you think of this idea? Or, I'm not sure about this. And then they tell you, hey, here's what you can do to improve it. Or, yeah, this needs a bit more work. Or, no, go ahead. So, like, getting that feedback's been great, because it's actually not just an email, but it's over video. So they're showing you what they're explaining, how they're explaining, and giving examples of what they mean. So for someone like me who's more visual, that's been a super big help. I think I mentioned it was an awesome community already. Like, it's great. Every month people post their accomplishments, and it's amazing to see how far some people have come. Like, there were some people that started around the time that I started, and it's been really cool seeing how they've progressed, and like, I know I've progressed in many aspects of my shop, and like I said, I still have a ways to go, but I know I have the backing and the support. And Oh yeah, the other part that's amazing about this course are all the resources. Like, sure, when I signed up, I was nervous and I was like, oh my gosh, you know, what did I just do? Ah! You know, but then once again, the community made me realize I wasn't alone in that. Like, almost everybody who signs up is like, what did we just do? And they all feel overwhelmed, but that's normal, that's natural. But people around you, they teach you how to go through it. You're supported. And what was the point of all this? But yeah, oh yeah, when I signed up, to see the immense wealth of information that's out there already. Like, you have access to so much information. Like, there's weekly coaching calls that teach you stuff about how to do design, how to do, you know, how to do print on demand stuff, how to do this, how to do better photography. And it's just like the things I learned in the first few months was just mind boggling. And then if you go look, all the past recordings are there. So I sometimes will go back and look at something. I'm like, oh, I want to know about this. And I look into that. So it's just definitely worth every single penny, and definitely a good decision I made in my life, and no regrets at all. Like, it's going to happen to me, and it's going to happen to everybody else in the course. You know, success is around the corner, but you know, I'm determined. I won't give up, and that's one of the cool things that Dylan and her coaches have showed me, is that you can't give up. You just got to keep moving forward and keep trying. You are going to make mistakes. You are going to have fails, but you know. But yeah, this course has been awesome in so many different ways, and I've learned a ton, and I know I'm not done learning, and I'm going to learn a lot more, and heck yes, I'm going to make it. So anyways, I'm babbling a lot, and I talk really fast and I mumble, so I'm going to stop now. All right, bye.